Welcome students. Now we will discuss about the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. It was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. It is most widely accepted model. It explains the various functions of plasma membrane. According to this model, lipid layer is having fluid-like nature. In this layer, proteins are distributed like mosaic pattern. In lipid layer, lipid molecules are arranged in two rows. Hydrophilic heads are projected towards exterior. Here exterior. Hydrophilic tails are projected interior or towards the center or inside. Globular proteins are present on the outer and inner margins of these lipids. Depending on the distribution and position, extrinsic and intrinsic proteins are there. The extrinsic proteins are attached to the outer surface of the polar lipid molecules or head portions of the lipid molecules. The intrinsic proteins are deeply embedded in the bilayered lipid layer. At some places, the intrinsic proteins project out of the lipid layer. Such proteins are called as transmembrane proteins. Carbohydrates are attached to lipid molecules as well as protein molecules. Glycoproteins are attached to peripheral proteins or extrinsic proteins and to the projected parts of integral proteins also. There are intrinsic proteins which are projected. Here intrinsic proteins also the proteins are attached or chains of sugars. Glycolipids are attached directly to the heads of the lipid molecules. The lipid in plasma membrane is not static but it is in a dynamic state. That means within the lipid layer, the lipid molecules are moving here and there. Here the movements are of two types, flip flap movement and lateral diffusion. Flip flap movement means lipid molecules of one layer may migrate to the opposite layer. Exchange of lipid molecules between the two layers. Lateral diffusion means lipid molecules exchange their places with their neighboring molecules of the same layer. Flip flap movement takes place between the two lipid layers, but lateral diffusion takes place within the same layer. These movements indicate that the constituents of the plasma membrane are not static but show constant fluid like consistency. According to this model, lipid is a liquid or fluid like substance. In this lipid liquid, the proteins are arranged like mosaic manner.